Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on all of the Star Wars movies on Blu-ray and DVD. Let's get started. This is the first trilogy. Spy, you're back. Your first Blu-ray, your second Blu-ray, your last Blu-ray, your first DVD, your second DVD, and your first DVD, and that's it. Now guys, this is actually a prequel to Star Wars, to this trilogy. Yeah, so I'm doing this in order actually, guys, not of when it was released though, guys. This is actually the Target exclusive. This is what's really cool about it, guys. Is that it comes in with different cover pieces. Yeah. Unfortunately, Bobby, when I took it off, I ended up having to fight with it, so I'll keep it off. And then here's this Fendi here. This is actually going to be the Blu-ray of Fendi here. And then really quickly, Bobby. So since my dad has a digital code, can he use it on his account or no? Okay. You have 5 discs. You have your Blu-ray 3D. So the version that we're buying, Bobby, the Target exclusive, features the 3D. Is that okay? And then your bonus Blu-ray disc here on your DVD. And I was very surprised by this, guys. There is actually an extra disc here with exclusive bonus content. So there is actually 5 discs. Just put it down. They actually do. This is not code or anything. This is just whatever. This is your first Blu-ray disc, your second Blu-ray disc, your last Blu-ray disc, your first DVD, your second DVD, and your last DVD. Front, spine, back. Front, spine, back. And then this one is the 7th movie, actually, guys. And this is The Force Awakens. I feel like this is an exclusive, guys, but it's not. And then here's your case. This is actually the poster. Yeah. So it says Blu-ray plus DVD and plus digital HD. Okay. Back. Spy. Your digital code. I'm letting everybody see it. But just to make sure you notice, don't take it. Star Wars The Force Awakens Blu-ray. Again, there's another bonus Blu-ray here. Then your DVD. Yeah, actually. Make sure to comment and subscribe on this video, and shout out to Landon and Blake and Kaday and everyone in my class. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.